Hello! Oh, they are the doctor. I'm doing a ShotOut video to sweat my night I got. And my talking about my birthday. It's coming very, very soon. Sorry about that. Hope you enjoy the video. Like, comment, support, let's begin. And you my channel, hit the bell icon. And no, okay, awesome more video. Let's begin. I'm doing my ShotOut before I do anyhow in here. Shout out to KnivesFAST. Shout out to my friend KnivesFAST. You're amazing. You are amazing. Put a KnivesFAST channel link down the Griffin below. Check his channel called KnivesFAST. And my email address down the Griffin. And my Gmail down the Griffin. You feel free to reply me on my Gmail. You feel free to send me that. So then, shout out to you, KnivesFAST. You're amazing. He do night review, like showcase review, like best review. See what kind of deal, model, blade, blade fitting, and all that. And traditional night. And amazing night. Probably he's amazing. He's called KnivesFAST. Link down the description. And my birthday about. Hold on a second. Just a few more days, my friend. Sorry me say that again. Just mind you, my birthday coming. On May 16, we'll turn 35. You not send me that? That okay. You feel free to send me that. My email address down the description and my Gmail down the description. Do that way. You want my address that way. So then, few more days to my birthday. I will turn 35. So then, shout out to you, KnivesFAST. You are amazing. His channel link down the description. And I'm going to tell you my night I got in a while. Bent made butt out. F3B deal. Compressor nut. Afterwash. Boo. SG handle. Sorry about that. Okay. Where are we? Boo dud. Fun dud. White security. Deep party carry. Anything made a great easy night. Called Bent Made Butt Out. My friend sent me the get. Cause he's amazing. Called Sack Got. No. Trust me, he's amazing. He sent me that Bent Made Butt Out at the get. He's amazing. And we got it night at Trasher the Fly many years ago. Kate Trasher. Got that night at the get. GC Bauer. Taster Cuddy. Leap Blade. Lot Bat. And all that. So GET. DEC Bow. Definitely here. My friend sent me that from the UK. That one over here, all that. I call it, what the boy called? Janet Silver Eagle, England. The way you got too. I do that one last. I'll show you this one. Handmade Damascus blade, rock bat, buffalo bone, black buffalo bone, blonde, rock bat, and a really awesome thing. And quit point. This one, my friend sent me as a gift from the UK. Is a Northfield knife. I mean, not only Northfield, my question. This one the gift my friend sent me as a gift about a couple months ago. He's the main guy. He sent it to me as a gift from Facebook. Sorry about that, my cat meowing. He's used to it. What I want to... Oh yeah. This one, we got that a gift. It's called, 5-bar. 5-bar, Tomastic, 4-bar, titanium with a glue piston, the bolter, pink lace, all that. Sorry about that. Where are we? Sorry about the cat. Well, what I want to do. Well, I think I already told you this. Well, hope you enjoyed my EDC night review. Shout out to KnivesFAST. He's the main. He's the awesome guy ever. Link down the glisten. And my email address down the glisten. My Gmail down the glisten. And shout out to KnivesFAST. Hope you get more followers. And my birthday coming about 3 more days or 2 more days because of May 16th. Sorry about that. I'm trying to put in because of the new charger. Okay. Well, hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, support, share the video with a friend who'll do more videos this time we can. Only matter day off, my friends. Stay for me. Rain day safe, have a fast day, and day often. And I'm a big fan of traditional knife and GEC knife. I'm a big fan of Bentmade and any traditional knife. See ya, a day often.